What's happening, everyone? Greg and Samantha here, and we are walking into the final round of Salt Lake City Supercross here in Salt Lake City, actually. I just said that, but giving you guys a little tour of the pits again, like I did last weekend for round 16. Went through the privateer pits. The pro pits were absolutely packed. Yeah, we are going to walk around, show you what's up, and then get some more footage of the race day, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, that is a wrap on the 2021 Monster Energy AMA Supercross Series, and what a series it was. Just when you thought Ken Roczen was coming out of the gate strong and pretty much had the championship in control, that Cooper Webb, man, he's like a shark in the water when he smells blood, and man, he just slowly started chipping away, took over the lead, and held on for the championship win. And in Cooper Webb style, he goes out and wins the last main event of the season here in Salt Lake City too. But let's go back and start with the 250 class. Tonight's racing was again another fun night of racing out there. You got the East-West shootouts going down, so the heat races in the 250 class are pretty much like main events in their own respective coasts. But you would think the talk would be about the Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha riders of Justin Cooper and Colt Nichols. Colt Nichols with a great start in the 250 main event. Justin Cooper probably about mid-pack, but just when you thought Colt Nichols was going to run away with the win in the 250 class here in the East-West shootout, man, that Jet Lawrence, man, those two Lawrence brothers just coming in clutch. With Jet Lawrence ended up taking the overall win, but the story, I think, was Hunter, his brother, battling for that podium position in 4th place, goes to make a pass for that 3rd place spot, ends up washing the front end in the rut and goes down, has to climb his way back pretty much on the last lap to make a pass on McAdoo to take that final podium spot. And it was just really cool to see the Lawrence brothers taking the podium, 1st place and 3rd place. It was cool to see them get together there at the end of the race like you're seeing here. They went front tire to front tire and just did a sweet Daytona style burnout right in front of the fans. But on to the 450 main event. Ken Roczen got out front early, feeling the pressure from his teammate Chase Sexton, and man, just when you thought Chase Sexton, fastest guy, what looked like the fastest guy in the whoops during the main event, was going to run away with the main event win for his first main event win, Cooper Webb, that guy is just insane. Again, he's like a shark in the water, picking off guys, makes his way to the front of the pack, and takes the win to really stamp and seal off this 2021 championship. It was another great night of racing. Always so cool to see it live. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And for those of you who watched it on TV, it's never a bad time either. But that is a cap on the 2021 Monster Energy AMA Supercross Series. I'm excited for next season. Leave a comment below and let me know who you guys think is going to be a contender for next season. My big question mark is Roczen. What is he going to do? How is he going to respond? Because this is the closest championship chase he's had in Supercross yet. And, you know, just started to crumble there at the end and fell short. So leave a comment. Let me know who you guys got for next season. But coming up, it is On to Motocross in about a month, and looking forward to that. So we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.